We're all collectively crossing our fingers that we get some relief, and soon. And it's happening, right?
Yeah, relatively soon. It's still a few days away. It gets a little worse, then it's getting a whole lot better as we head to the weekend. 87 was the high today. You can see all the haze in the Denver area from our view from the camera out at City Park. We do have an ozone alert in effect, so take it easy out there if you have any respiratory problems, and limit your use of small gasoline engines and driving if you can while we have this ozone situation. Mid-80s right now, low humidity 16%. Pressure is rising slightly. Different view out in Lyman from our Viero camera out there. That's a little thunderstorm moving into the Lyman area. And on radar, this is what it looks like coming across Elbert County. Not severe, but it does have a fair amount of lightning with it. We're going to see a few more of those develop in the eastern plains areas south and east of Denver during the rest of the evening. Isolated storms just ahead of this warm front that's going to move across the state tonight. By midnight, the storms are pretty much all done. And then overnight, hazy skies, low clouds off to the east of us, and very smoky conditions, especially in southwestern Colorado. By morning, 57 in Denver, 58 Greeley, Akron, 38 up at Leadville. Front range numbers will be mostly in the 40s up into the mountains, and we'll see 50s on the plains, even a 60 at Highlands Ranch. We'll start out with sunny but hazy conditions tomorrow. That front is going to stall over eastern Colorado, so higher humidity on the plains and a better chance of some storms developing. Some severe out near the Kansas border for tomorrow, isolated along the I-25 corridor. High fire danger and dry conditions farther to the west, and hot. 100 at Grand Junction, 93 at Durango, 90 here in Denver, mid-90s to the south and east. Front range numbers are mostly going to be around 90 to 95 at lower elevations tomorrow, and near 80 expected up in the mountains. A few storms early tonight, hazy, mild conditions, and 57 for tomorrow. The high temperature will be at 90, partly cloudy in the afternoon. Isolated storms are possible, mainly along the Palmer Divide. And then we'll start to see those rain chances increasing, partly because of Hurricane Bud down here south of Baja. That will decay down to just some tropical moisture by the weekend, and the winds will start to move that moisture into Colorado, increasing the rain chances, decreasing the temperatures, and that will help us out quite a bit. Tomorrow it's 90. It's 92 on Thursday with a few storms. Storms becoming more likely Friday and on into the weekend, with cooler temperatures and some locally heavy downpours expected across the state over the weekend.